In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Amazon Prime membership account on your Twitch account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to connect your Amazon Prime membership account on your Twitch account, go ahead and first log into your Twitch account. Once you are logged in, head over to your profile icon on top here and choose settings. Now under settings, go to connections, and here you'll see platforms that you can connect to Twitch. Among them is Amazon Prime membership. Here you're told connect your Prime account, and then you're told when you connect your Prime account, Twitch may access your Amazon profile information, including your name and Prime status, as well as share information with Amazon regards the use of your Prime account on Twitch. However, the good thing is that Twitch will not publicly display your Prime account information. So if you are okay with this, now go ahead and click on connect, and this will lead to a pop-up. Have to go ahead and log into your Amazon account. So you need to go ahead and enter your email and click on continue to finally connect your Amazon Prime membership on Twitch. So that's how you can easily connect your Amazon Prime membership account on Twitch. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.